here's a demonstration of how the power wheelchair trainer works. So first, you'll need to wheel the standard wheelchair on as it is here. Next, you'll use the 4 tie-down straps, or tie-down ratchet straps shown here to secure it in place. 3 of them are already in place in this demonstration. So, like that. You can use the red button to loosen, and then use these triangular things here to ratchet into place. That secures the standard wheelchair. Next, you'll raise the boarding ramp by using these 2 black handles here to lift it into place until it clicks. That side uses Velcro to stay in place right there. Next, we'll move to the back of the vehicle, and you'll be able to turn on the vehicle with a power switch right here. Also, the teacher can get a hold of the teacher override controller. So let's turn it on. Battery indicator light comes on, indicating the vehicle is powered on. Now you'll see on the remote right here, there are 2 settings with this switch. Right here with the green light, there is the student drive enabled mode, and then I can switch it to student drive disabled with the red light. In addition, there's a couple of safety features, including, well, let's say I have it on green and I need to stop quickly. I can press the e-stop, which will stop the vehicle. I can also press the e-stop on the vehicle here. That stops it, as well as one more safety feature, whereas if I'm driving, and I can drive that with this joystick here, let's see. If the breakaway magnetic tether breaks off, that is an emergency stop as well, and the vehicle will stop in its tracks. So you can replace this right here. And a few other features of note on the adult controller. You have the speed control dial, which changes both the speed of the override controller and the student controls. So for example, if I'm driving here and I up the speed, you'll notice it goes faster or slower, like that. Okay, so let's say now we have a student who is being trained on the trainer, and I have this set to the green student enable mode. They can now use either a set of student buttons to drive, that's me, but right now I'm going to press the green button and the vehicle moves forward. The set of ports down here control which way each button moves the vehicle. So for example, if I take this plug that is currently in the forward port and e-stop, put it in the backwards port, turn off the e-stop. Now, let's turn down the speed a little bit. If I press the button, we go backwards, as you can see. In addition to the student buttons, which you can use up to 4 at a time in any configuration, we also have the student joystick over here, which also uses the clamps that are included to be affixed to the standard wheelchair in any position, as well as Velcro attachments, which attach to the clamp. Here's the clamp, here's the Velcro. So similarly to the student buttons, when the student drive is enabled, the student can use the joystick to navigate the wheelchair. Let me turn up the speed a little bit. Any direction, forward, side, back. And so, whoops. And so you have all those methods of allowing the student to drive. Again, at any time, the teacher can take over either by using the override controller, by switching the student enable switch, or by hitting the e-stop. So that's a quick little demo of how the power wheelchair trainer works.